Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will do how to create shapefile, digitization, and not only that, we also learn from this tutorial how to digitize some portion of topographical map as we required, and within this topographical map how we can simultaneously create any polygon, then road, then channels and others geographic locations, how we can digitize and represent in a map. So in the previous video we shows that how to georeference a topographical map, and now this video we'll do georeferencing, then create shapefile, and how we can digitize different physical and cultural aspect in topographical map using QGIS. So I want to zoom this portion, this northeast portion. So here I want to digitize in your study area whatever you required. So before going to digitize or creating shapefile, you should know some important points. The thing is that if you think that this is our study area and this study area is like square shape within this first you can say the square area, so we need to prepare a shapefile of polygon for this study area. Similarly, again we need another polygons for the digitization of the forest cover, because this green portion showing the forest cover area. So for digitizing this forest cover also we need a polygon shapefile. Not only that, if we want to digitize this river also, this is the non-perennial river with sand, so for that we need again a shapefile, polygon shapefile for this river. But for the single line, that means this non-perennial river, we need the line feature. Similarly for the road connection, that means this dotted line shows the unmetal road. So if we want to show this, so we need the separate line feature for this unmetal road, as well as this is the metal road. So if we want to digitize this also, so we need the separate layers for this the metal road. Not only that, if you want to do digitize with this card tag, this red single line shows the card tag. So if you want to digitize this also need the separate you can say the layer, polygon layer, sorry, polyline layers. On the other hand, we can see also some village area with showing like this. So for that we can prepare point, or you can say the polygon feature for the showing or digitizing the point feature. So you can see that the number of layer you should prepare for, you can say the showing our study area. So one by one at first will prepare some shapefile, after that we'll start our digitization. So formation of shapefile, you should go this layer panel in the main menu. Okay, just click here and just click on create layer. Within this create layer you can see here new shapefile layer. So simply click here only, and at first click on this three dot, and you should assign your folder location where you want to save all this layer. So click on this three dot. So I want to prepare, or you can say create one layer here. So new folder I will prepare. So this is topo map. Okay, this is our new folder. So double click it, and at first I want to write study area. Okay, so study area, then save. So first one is study area, then the second important is geometry type. So from the drop down menu you should select the polygon. Okay, then the projection system. So you can go with this geographic coordinate system, or from here click here and you can go projected coordinate system for this map also. So I want to go with now geographic coordinate system as a default. So simply you can click here OK. So click OK. So you can see here the first layer already prepared for the creating this study area. Now second layer I want to digitize this vegetation area. So again similarly click here, go to create layer, new shape file, click on three dot, simply write vegetation. Okay, then click on save. From the geometry type click on polygon. So here you can directly click on OK. So vegetation shape also prepare. Third one is that if we want to digitize this the settlement area, so again we need the another shape file, that is the settlement. Okay, click on polygon and here you can write the name. Okay, like the name. So name means the name of each settlement. You can see here name of each settlement you can find out. So name of each settlement you can find out. So the first field will be name and type is text, and simply click here add to field list. So this new field added with this settlement, you can simply click on OK. So these three layer already prepared. The fourth layer you can see here. Okay, so fourth layer will be yes, this one, the river. So you can see here this is the non-perennial river with sand. So I want to create a new layer. So simply click on this three dot and write river with sand. Okay, save, click on polygon. So why it is polygon, you can see here this is the area which is covered some area. So we can show the area of you can say the any geographic you can say entity by the polygon only. So simply click on OK, and again I want to create one more layer. This is simply a river only. Okay, so all the isolated line I want to digitize by the line. So here I want to select line. Okay, then click on OK. So when I want to digitize this line, so I will use this layer, this file. Then you can see there the unmetal road, the metal road and card text. So I can create separate layer for each entity. So first one is metal road. Then click on save, and geometry type should be line. Click on OK. Similarly, I want to again digitize this unmetal road also. So click here layer, create layer, then simply click here, write unmetal road. Okay, and last one will be the car track. Okay, so click here, new shape file, click three dot, so click on OK. Okay, now I can click here zoom to layer. So in this left portion within this layer, you can see here I prepare 4 polygon feature, and you can see for the line feature. Okay, so not only that, if you want to create any point feature, you may create. If you want to zoom it, you can see this green line actually showing some trees. So you can if you want to digitize this trees also, so you can do. So similarly, go to layer, create layer, new shape file, click here, and you can write here tree. Okay, and from here you should select the point, then click on OK. So all the layer here I have already prepared: point layer, line layer, as well as polygon layer. So we'll do first the study area. Okay, I want to digitize at first the study area. So at first, so what we can do, simply click here the study area. From the study area, the layer you want to digitize first, at first you select that layer. Okay, so I want to digitize the study area first, so simply click on the study area. Okay, when you click here, you from your the menu bar, you can see the toggle editing. Okay, this will be active, so you can simply click here. So when you click here, you can see this you can say layer will active. Okay, and from the left portion you can see here the polygon feature symbol, and when I take my cursor point here, you can see the add polygon. So simply you can click here add polygon. Okay, so after then you can simply zoom it. Okay, so at first I want to click here. Okay, so this is my study area. I have already said that key I will take one square from this topographical map for the demo copy, so you can do according to your need. So I want to click here first because this is the straight line, no need to worry. So the third point is there, and fourth will be somewhere here. Okay, so this is, so last point you can click, double click. Okay, so now we can see here ID. So I want to ID 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so you can see here this is my study area but in color. No, but you can do simply click here the study area. Okay, from there go to symbology, from this fill color. Okay, click on simple fill, click on this drop down menu and click on this transparent fill. Not only that, you can give or you can change the color of the boundary or width also. From here, stroke width you can increase and change, you can change the color also. So I want to take okay, right, then apply and okay. So now you can see that red boundary also, but you can change the color because red already here. So I want to take, you can see the blue color. Okay, then click on apply and okay. So now you can show the blue color boundary. So this is our study area. Okay, so within that we want to digitize all these things. So second layer is the vegetation. So after this digitization of the study area, at first you should click on this save layer. Okay, save layer edit. When you click here, so your layer will be saved. So after that you can proceed for the second layer. Okay, so my second layer is vegetation. So now you should click on this vegetation. Similarly, when you click on vegetation, you can see here, when you click on this vegetation, again you can see a toggle editing, and simply click on this toggle editing. After that you can see here the again this add polygon layer or symbol again active. So simply click here. Now you can digitize the vegetation cover area. Okay, so I'll start from here. So this is my study area, or you can say study area. So I want to digitize only this area, or you can zoom it and I can go and I will do digitize within this our study area only. Okay, so click here, again digitize here. This is very simple. Only follow the vegetation boundary line. Okay, so this green line is a vegetation or forest boundary. So this tutorial may will take some time to cover all this thing. So if you want to learn each and everything, so you should wait for that. So now we can see here the vegetation cover I have already successfully digitized. Within this the you can say the study area. So after that you should click here save layer. So your layer successfully saved. So you can uncheck this. If you uncheck, so you can see the your study area. So you can say raster study area, you can see. So I want to uncheck all of this thing because I want to see this later. Okay, so the third is the settlement. Okay, so click here the settlement, again click here this toggle reading button, and you can see here this polygon line, again click here. So from the study area I want to digitize only the settlement which fall under our study area. So this is the settlement 1. So you can see here write ID number 1, and if there is any name, like you can see here the name of the settlement, that means the village. So name of the village is like that Kulbasa. So I want to write here KULBASA. Okay, then okay. Similarly you want to digitize this also, so you can, or you can directly digitize, okay, these enter things. So after that you can give ID number 2, and you can also see the name of that village. So the name of the village is Radam, RADAM, then click on OK. So within this I can see here also there is a settlement, so you can select or digitize your settlement area. So name of this settlement is Kuntiapalli. Okay, so this is the 3, and name is Kuntiapalli. Okay, so 3 settlement I have successfully digitized, but you can take more according to your need. Okay, then click on the save option, save layer. So your settlement also set. So I can uncheck this. Now the 4th one is the river with sand. So within our study area I want to digitize this portion only. Okay, because here we can see the river bed is filled with sand. This is the non-perennial river. So click on this river with sand, and then click on the toggle reading, then click on this add polygon, zoom it, okay, and start digitization from here. On the basin, you can say the river line. Okay, so up to this you can see the river bed with filled by sand. So this is up to this our study area, so I want to complete here. So you can see here the river with sand. This portion also I have successfully digitized. Then click on save button. Okay, so now I want to digitize only river, which that means the line only. Okay, so line only, that means the regular line. This also all are the perennial river, so I want to digitize all of this one by one. So I'll start from here. You can see this is the first the non-perennial river. So at first click on this river with the line feature, then click on toggle editing. Now we can see here this is showing the add line feature. Previously it's showing as a shows as a polygon, but now this is line because here I select only the line shapefile only. Okay, so simply click here, then start your digitization. So you can zoom it, or if you zoom it, so you can do your digitization with very high accuracy. Okay, so you should to digitize your map with the maximum zoom. Okay, so then you can say the take the better result. So you can see here, from here also one non-perennial river I can see. I want to digitize all this river portion which is fall under the my study area. So all this river I want to digitize. So this is river here. Okay, so then you can give is 2 ID. You can also change the color of river. So simply click here river, double click, then click on simple line. From here you can take blue line. Okay, and you can also increase the width also from the stroke width, then apply on. Okay, so now we can see the river with blue. Okay, so it will good for you to digitize the new river. Okay, then I want to start digitization from here. So again click on this river, click on this the add line feature. Okay, so I want to start digitization from this mouth of the non-perennial river. Okay, so I want to digitize all of this non-perennial river. So you can do, we can take or we can zoom the you can say some extent to give the better result, but for practice I want to go with this level of zooming. Okay, but you should always follow the maximum zoom. Then I'm to give this 3, and here you can see the one more layer, or you can see one more river, and I want to digitize all this river. Okay, so up to this is the 4, and from here again one more is there. So okay, so I want to digitize only up to my, you can say, study area only. So from here also you can see one more river is there, and this is also up to my study area I want to digitize. Okay, so this is the 6, and again zoom out. So here I want to again start digitization from this point. So this work is very simple. You should follow the steps step by step. Digitize up to its source point. Okay, so this is maybe 7, but you can also edit the number of each field from the attribute table. So from here I can divide into 2 directions. So I will capture all these branches of non-perennial river. So from here I want to digitize this portion also. So okay, up to this. Now we can see here also some non-perennial river is there, so I can digitize also. But you can do from DEM also. So from DEM you can find all this perennial and non-perennial river. But in the topography map we can also digitize or find any kind of river in our study area. Okay, but in the topographical map you should need to digitize all this river one by one. But if we use DEM map, digital elevation map, then no need to digitize all this you can say river. We can directly generate it from the DEM by using some by using some steps. Okay, like spatial analysis tool from the Terra. Okay, and this is the last one. Click on OK. So I think all this line feature, that means the river I have successfully digitized. So after then click on this save button. So all river already saved. So now we can see the metal road. So now I want to digitize only metal road. So only the few areas from the southwest corner you can see this metal road. So simply click this metal road, then click on this toggle reading, then click on the add line feature and start your digitization. Okay, and end here. Okay, and you can change your color also. So simply click here and you can see here this is the line. So you can change the color of line. Not only that, you can also change the shape and size also. So simply click on line. So from here you can see the line, simple red line. Click here, then click on apply. Okay, click on apply or click on OK. And you may also increase the width of this line. Okay, simply click here, then apply and OK. And after that click on the save button. So your layer will save. Now I want to digitize this metal road. So uncheck this, all of this. So you can see at this two dotted line are the metal road. So I want to start digitization from here. So I want digitization from here. So zoom out in some extent. Okay, So after that you can digitize all the unmetal road. Okay, so up to this, then again start from here. So all of these are unmetal road. So you can digitize up to this boundary only. You can also change the color also and shape also. Simply click here, click line. You can take the different shape size from here also. Okay, whatever you need, so you can take here. So I want to take this one. Okay, and you can change the color, the red. I want to take red. Okay, and not only that, you can also increase the width also from here. Then click and apply and okay. So now you can see the unmetal dot change its color. Okay, so after that you can see here, yes, the unmetal dot I have already you can say digitize. Now the left portion is the card tag. So at first you should click here. Okay, this save button. So then you go to card tag, then click on this toggle editing, then click on this add line feature. So you should digitize all this card tag. So I want to start from here. So this is the card tag. You can digitize one more to better visualization or better digitization. But I am already said that key I am going with you can say the practice map only. So for this I reduce the zooming level, but you should do with the highest zoom to get some better result. Okay, so from here one cut tag also follow this road or follow this direction. So you can see here either also here, from here also. Up to our boundary. So you can also change the color, shape, size, etc. So I want to give this as a dotted line. Okay, this dotted line, but with the color I can also increase the width. So then click on apply and okay. Okay, now you can see all are in showing the dotted line. So here you can see some other card tag is also here. So I want to digitize all of these. And this last one from here. But you should always digitize with the maximum, you can say the zoom level, so your result will come very good and higher accuracy. Yes, here you can see here 1 and 2 3 line till undigitize. So we should digitize all of this thing. Okay, I think all this card rack also digitized. Okay, so last one you can see here, save first. So last one is the yes, this tree only. So simply click here tree, then click on, and now you can see add point feature only. So from my study area you can see this green portion showing actually the different kind of trees. Okay, simply click here and click on OK. So these are all a tree, which actually you can say the recognized by Survey of India in their topographical map. But you can change the the shape, size, and other thing also from here. Okay, from here you can change, or you can take the other symbol also, or you can say you can take symbol from other direction also, or other, or you may take different symbol from here also. Okay, you can take. So for the you can say I want to take for now only this triangle. Okay, so the next point you can see here, this is the tree line, and there is so many other trees also. Simply click and OK. So all of this noted as the point feature as a tree. Okay, okay, so we can do over the image. But now I want to change the shape and size of this point feature, that is tree. So you can take anyone from here. So for example, I want to take these only. Okay, click on apply and OK. So all of these are changes. Now at first I want to hide this reference topographical map. Just unclick. So then you should click here, this study area. This is a study area. Click on zoom to layer. So this is our study area. So we can see here there is a number of layers that we have already created. So here I want to show one by one. So at first, this is our study area which showing the blue line. So first on the vegetation. So you can see this is our vegetation cover map. So I want to change the color of vegetation. So simply click here, go to properties, simply click or simple fill. Then from this fill color you can check the green color. Okay, green color I want to take this the light green. Then click on apply and OK. So you can see here, not only that, you can also change the boundary of this vegetation cover also. Click here. So when you click here, you can see here this stroke color. Okay, so from this drop down you can take any you can say the boundary, and you can also change the color. Okay, and as well as thickness also. Apply OK. So now we can see the boundary color, their shape, and the you can say the vegetation. Next, the settlement. Simply click here. So you can see here I have this is only these 3 points. These are the settlement area, but I want to change the color of settlement. So generally settlement actually showing by red color, so I want to select this red and click on apply and OK. So now we can see here the settlement showing only the red color. Okay, and the third one is the river with sand. So this is the river with sand, but we need to change the color, symbol, etc. So now this is the river with sand. So click on properties. So our title is river with sand, so I can simply select this one. Okay, and click on apply and OK. So you can see a river with sand. Okay, and after that you can see the river as a line feature. So simply click here. So no need to change anything, I have already changed the color. So you can see here the river, but here you can see the river with sand, but you can say the boundary line showing the black. So you can change the boundary line of the main river. Simply click here. After then you can see here this is the boundary color. So click here, take this blue, click on apply and OK. So now we can see here the river. Okay, and not only that, you can also change the color into other way also, like this the simple stroke color as well as the point feature, the point fill. then the simple line. So simple line you can change the color as a black, but the point, yes, this one is okay, then apply and okay. Okay, so the next is the metal node. Simply click here, this double line you can also change, okay, or you can select this one also, and or you can, yes, this one, and you can change the color also, red color, then click as apply, okay, and then okay. So here you can see this metal rod. So next one, this iron metal rod. Simply click here. So you can see here this dotted line showing the iron metal rod. Last one is the cart track. So you can see here cart track also, but if you want to change the color, so simply click here this study area, okay, sorry, simply click here this cart track, and you may take this simple line, reducing the stroke width, then apply and okay. So this is the cart track, okay, and last one is the tree, okay. So you can change the color as well as the shape of this tree. Simply click here. So after then you can reduce the size of this symbol, then click on apply and click on OK. Now I want to add the label. So I want to add the settlement, name of the settlement that I have already added during my digitization. So go to settlement, then click on here, go to properties, and you can see the label, then click on no label, then you can click on the single label. So select from the drop down, this is name only, and you can change the size of the font, and the you can say the color of font, the alignment, everything is here. So you can explore so many things from here. Then click on apply and OK. So now you can see here these three settlement with name, but you can change the alignment also, because I want to set this the label in the left, right, another portion also. So click this placement. So after this placement you can simply write here, increase the distance, okay, of this placement, okay, or you can take from here outside the polygon also. Click on apply and OK. So now you can see the name of the each, you can say the village name is, you can see the outside the polygon. So in this way you can digitize all the line, polygon or point feature from the topographical map as required you. Not only that, you can, if I want to zoom, then you can see all of this feature one by one. So in the next, you can say the tutorial will learn how to create a, you can say the good the layout map from this the work. So next tutorial will do for the preparation of layout map of topographical map, so whatever I digitize here. So thank you for watching this video, and please wait for the next video. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.